Tesla rolls out new FSD update, Tesla CyberTruck, on receiving end. Tesla has begun rolling out a refreshed version of its supervised, full self-driving software. The upgrade includes minor improvements along with its addition to the CyberTruck. The supervised FSD v12.5.1 has been rolled out to customers. Little is currently known about the nature of all the features, though Musk has been teasing them for a while now. The update sports easier natural lane changes, along with a slew of new updates recently talked of. The expansion is being surrounded by a ton of excitement, especially after Musk clarified that the Cybertruck will also be receiving similar treatment, along with a major improvement to miles per intervention. Moreover, Musk revealed that the new FSD upgrade would combine highway and city software slacks, besides also allowing drivers to keep their sunglasses on while FSD is engaged, something previously unavailable. As of now, the update will not be extended to HW3 vehicles until the Model Y gets some stability, following which the software update will be extended to other models. This comes just before Tesla's intriguing robo-taxi event scheduled for October, where the company will debut its robo-taxi concept.